Hello, in this video we'll do exercise 3, page 123. Complete. 1 minus 1/6 equals to what? Instead of 1, we have to write a fraction. The denominator is 6, so all the parts are 6. And the 1 is, as a fraction, is all parts of total, so it is 6/6. Now, 6 minus 1, 5. We subtract the numerators and the denominator remains the same. It is 6. Now, 3/4 plus what fraction equals to 1? Instead of 1, we have to write a fraction. The total parts is 4. So the 1 is 4/4. 4/4. Now, 3 plus what equals to 4? 3 plus 1, and the denominator remains the same. 1 minus 5/9. The total is 9. So the 1 is 9/9. We subtract the numerators and we subtract the numerators. 9 minus 5, 4, and the denominator remains the same. It is 9. 7/10 plus a fraction is equal to 1. The total is 10 because the denominator is 10. So the 1 is 10/10. It is all parts over the total, so it is 10/10. Now, the denominator remains the same, and 7 plus what equals to 10? 7 plus 3. 1 minus 7/12 equals to a fraction. The total is 12, so the 1 is equal to 12/12. Now 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. We subtract the numerators and the denominator remains the same. It is 12. 4/9 plus a fraction equals to 1. The total is 9. So the 1 equals to 9/9. The denominator remains the same, and 4 plus what equals to 9? 4 plus 5. Now we have to do exercise 8, page 125. A farmer buys a piece of land. He pays 3/15. He pays 3/15 of the price. Then he pays 1/5 of the price of the land. The farmer says, I have 3/5 left. I have 3/5 left to be paid. Is he right? Justify. To know if he is right, we want to know how many he pays. So to know how many he pays, we have to add these two fractions, and then we see how many he has left to pay. So we add these two fractions. He pays 3/15 plus 1/5. 3/15 plus 1/5. But these two fractions don't have the same denominator. What we have to do? We have to reduce them to the same denominator. 15 is multiple of 5, so we multiply the second fraction by 3 to get 15. The first fraction remains the same, 3/15 plus 1 times 3, 3, 5 times 3, 15. Now they have the same denominator, so we can add them. The denominator remains the same. It is 15, and we add the numerators, 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And we keep the denominator, so we get 6/15. Now to know how many he has left to be paid, we want to subtract 6/5 from the whole price. So the whole price represent what? Represent 1. So he has left to be paid 1 minus 6/15. 6/15, but we cannot subtract 6/15 from 1. We want to write a fraction instead of 1. And 1 is what? The total is 15. So 1 is equal to 15. 15th minus 6/15. Now we subtract the numerators and we keep the denominator. 15 minus 6, 15th. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So we get 9/15. Is he right? He says that I have 3/5 left to be paid. But can we compare these two fractions? 3/5 and 9/15, they have different denominators. So what we have to do? We have to make them, to reduce them to the same denominator. 15 is multiple of 5, so we multiply this fraction by 3. We get 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 3, 15. Now we have to compare these two fractions. We have to compare these two fractions. 9/15 and 9/15. So they are the same, they are equal. So yes, he is right. Thank you.